All right, so we have a Pride Go-Go scooter that was returned to us because it was mangled in the shipping process. As you can see, it left looking like a good condition box. All this extra tape is probably what UPS or FedEx put on it to try and make it look better, but the customer received it and refused the delivery with reason. It was justified. I mean, look at this box. It is mangled. But we want to just show you how incredible Pride Mobility's packaging process is. I mean, they have the best product packaging, hands down, in the industry. And we're going to show you. So we've got Chuck here. He's going to help us unbox it while I film. And it's going to probably be okay because they put molded styrofoam that surrounds pretty much every component of the scooter very, very securely. So if we take it apart, we notice, okay, some of that styrofoam molding has cracked here in the front, and we can see the battery box kind of exposed. So we're gonna start removing the styrofoam and checking out the battery box to see if it's okay. But my guess is that everything is gonna be all right. No fault here at the customer's side for refusing delivery. I would have done the same thing, but let's check out this battery box. Let's check out the underside, terminals, the pins, everything looks good. No cracks, still good to go. It's a Go-Go Sport, which is highly sought after and extremely difficult to get right now ever since the supply chain issues. So we do have a couple of these in stock, and we can get them to you if you're interested in not waiting 90 business days like most dealers are making their customers wait. So let's see here, the basket's in there.
Looks perfectly fine.
Basket looks okay. Let's check out the basket. The styrofoam's not, but that's okay. So we have the colored panels, which appear to be okay. We'll take a look at them and see. The basket's not cracked or anything, right?
Looks perfectly fine to me.
Not even a scratch on it.
Not a scratch.
Awesome. So let's take a look and see. Hopefully the rest of the scooter's okay.
So we'll take this.
You know the armrests are fine. They're pretty much solid steel, and the armrest pads are like deep inside of those styrofoam cubby holes that they slide right into. It's amazing.
All good. Even this styrofoam survived.
Yeah.
Actually, this whole piece is solid, so that's all good.
So the steel seat post, you know, is okay. That's right there. There's nothing wrong with that. The armrest pads are deep inside of those pockets, so if you slide them out, you know they're fine. There's nothing wrong with the armrest. Solid steel tubing, so we know that's good. The chargers in the box there, completely protected. Nothing wrong with that either. So if we start to lift up the tiller, we'll see how that's looking. We'll see if the
look, all the styrofoam's just
all the styrofoam seems to be mangled, but I mean, I'm thinking there's a good chance that this scooter is still fine. So we're gonna tighten up the tiller assembly now. You got to raise up the tiller to get that piece of styrofoam out when you're unboxing it. If you've seen our unboxing videos, you know how all that works. Steering assembly seems to be okay. It's a 3-wheel scooter, so it's gonna wiggle a little bit from side to side on the front. The seat has been sandwiched in between everything, so there's no doubt in my mind that the seat's perfectly fine.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Start taking out some of these extra pieces that have been broken apart just to help out, not make this video too long. Trying to give you an in-depth look here at the unboxing process. Here's the user manual. I mean, look at that.
Pieces everywhere.
I mean, this thing has gone through the trenches. So if this thing is okay and there's nothing wrong with it, I am going to be very, very impressed, but not completely surprised or shocked, because honestly, Pride Mobility, like we've said it many, many times before, is the best when it comes to packaging their products. Shipping companies are known for being careless when it comes to transporting products. You know, they're not being paid to handle your product with care. A lot of them are just in a hurry. They want to get 50 deliveries done in a day, and they don't care if they roll the box around in the truck or if they take a turn sharply and the box rolls around in the back of the truck. They don't care about that. That's really not their priority. And I'm sure if you're watching this video, you can relate. I know I've ordered stuff from Amazon, from different websites, doing my online shopping, and boxes show up damaged all the time. But companies that take the time to invest in their packaging are the ones that really see the benefit, and when their customers, don't have to return products as often, it's good for business. So hats off to Pride. Look at that. Let's see. Visually, I see not a single scratch on this scooter. Huh. If you give it a little roll. Oh. Tiller was not tightened all the way down. User error. Chuck set me up.
I set him up.
Tighten that. Let's tighten that all the way down real quick. Make sure it's not loosened.
Yeah.
The teeth are lined up good there. Okay, so the steering lock's on. Steering lock's off. Wheels are rolling around freely. Wow, amazing. So we're going to quickly pause here, put it together, and then just give it a little test to make sure it's running, and we'll be right back with you. All right, so we unpackaged all of it. We put it all together, and we have the batteries in. We just want to make sure it rides, so good old Uncle Chuck here is going to do us a little test drive here, and look at that. It's fine. Working good so far. Now, obviously, we're going to keep testing it for a while, making sure it's okay, but by the looks of it, there are no scratches. It's working fine. Hats off to you, Pride Mobility. Very impressive packaging. Our customers are very grateful, and so are we. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to get entered into our giveaway. We give a mobility scooter away once a month now. All you have to do is subscribe to our channel. And, by the way, our new catalog is out, so make sure you go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, and you'll get a short form that you just have to fill out on the web page. It's pretty quick. Once you fill out that form, the catalog will be in the mail, and you'll get it in 1 to 2 weeks tops. There's some new products that are going to come out soon, pre-release models on there that you can check out, so make sure you claim a copy of that catalog. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a great day.